Good morning, y'all. It's breakfast time. And I'm going to show y'all what I'm having for breakfast. I'm going to have me a ham and cheese omelet with some cinnamon and apple oatmeal and some fresh fruit with yogurt. So I got my pan right here heated because I'm finna saute down some ham. I'm dicing some ham up. And I'm also going to put in there, I may not use all this ham, I don't know. So you want to cook your stuff before you put it in your omelet. And I like red bell peppers because they sweet, and onions in mine. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my onions, my red bell pepper and onions in there too. So that's what's going to go in the middle of my omelet. Alright. My ham sauteing down over there. I got 3 eggs I done cracked in my bowl. 3 eggs. I'm going to add me in 1 tablespoon of cream. And I'm going to put me in a little, where's my seasoning salt? Oh, there we go. Put in about there we go, a little seasoning salt in there. I'm about to beat it up. Okay, that's ready. I can smell it. That's ready. I can turn it off. Oh, shit. Put it back on the stove first. Alright, I got about a teaspoon of olive oil in my skillet. And I got my skillet on medium. I'm going to add me a piece of butter in there. Alright, when that butter start bubbling, I'm going to be ready. Right, I hear a little sizzle. And let's go and add my egg in there. There we go. Let's add that egg in there. And the omelet process about to start, y'all. Alright. See how it is? So I take the fork and I do my edges. Show my edges form. Go like that. In case you want to make sure all this egg on top gonna cook before you flip it. There we go. Show y'all how a blind man do an omelet. Bad boy getting like that, and you gotta take it and go like that. See, it should be stuck to the bottom of that pan. There we go. Work with it, work with it. When I get to that stage right there, I'm gonna add my stuff on top. Right there. That's my onions and my ham. Put that all right there. Yeah, buddy. My hands clean, y'all. I'm eating this. Then I take some of my cheese. I realize I'm a blind man trying to do this now, so I put my cheese right there. Put my other slice of cheese right there. Cause I'm gonna fold this. I'm gonna put me some shredded cheese on top. That's sharp. That's sharp cheddar. I'm gonna do a ham and cheese omelet. I want ham and cheese. Alright. Alright. Alright, y'all, now I'm gonna take it and fold it over. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all, I did it. I did it all by myself. Now let me get my yogurt and my fruits on this plate and my oatmeal. Be right back. I got my ham and cheese omelet. Breakfast, y'all. I had to be Waffle House this morning. There go my ham and cheese omelet. There go my apple cinnamon. Let's see. There go my apple cinnamon oatmeal. And there go my fresh kiwi with mango and apples and Greek yogurt with some walnuts. Yeah, so good morning. What y'all eating for breakfast? I didn't want no cereal. I'm not a cereal eater. Yeah, and I don't really eat breakfast all that much, but this is what I had a taste for this morning. All right, there we go. I can cook breakfast too.